Hey everybody, Jason McMillan with Keep Calm and Train Your Rookie. We're going to do another quick bit about foam. This time we're specifically talking about different kinds of foam. I have a Class A foam here. I have a Class B foam. Similar to this, it's a 3 and 6. This is diluted to 3%, and this one is at 6%. So real quick, let's talk about Class A foam. I've got some water over here, and I'm going to put some Class A material, black pepper, which is actually wood chips, just tasty wood chips. And notice what happens. I'm going to have a film come out and displace. Come up close here, Dave. I had that aqueous film, AFFF form, and it's gone and pushed all of that pepper off to the side. Also, too, what we're going to see is the pepper is going to be soaked really well, and it's going to start dropping out as it absorbs more water real quick. All right, that is Class A foam. Let's go over here to this little pan. This is E85, okay? Some people say, well, hey, my Class A foam actually has an aqueous film forming foam. What happens when I put it on a flammable liquid? Well, here's what happens. It sits and it gets dissolved fairly quickly. Okay? Not building up at all. All right? Here's this foam here at 3%. Notice it's immediately getting absorbed. Not doing anything at all. That's at 3%. Here's at 6%. If you notice, it's absorbing it. And it's creating, instead of a film, it's creating a membrane. This is like a thin coating of plastic. This only happens if you mix this foam to 6% concentration. What's going on is at 6%, there's a sugar molecule in this foam that is at a high enough concentration that your film goes out across the surface of the ethanol or other polar solvent, and as water starts to pull, as the ethanol starts to pull the water out of the foam, it creates this membrane and it locks together, and it leaves this kind of silky looking stuff behind. That is how this foam works on ethanol. One last thing I wanted to do, and to prove a point, we're going to light this on fire and we're going to try to dilute it out. It's on fire. Watch what happens whenever we try to dilute it. Now the whole pan is on fire. So the solution to the pollution is not dilution. It's the proper application of the right foam. Thank you very much for tuning in. Be sure to like the page.